Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Shaking team, y'all already know it's back to business now. 3.0 back in my hands. And my volt stabilizer, my Raizin joint, came through from Japan. Oh yeah, baby. Let's set it up. So I'm thinking I'm gonna take it out, but maybe just fit it right here. That should be a good look. You know what I mean? That looks like the box will fit right here. It's some 3M on both sides, well, on the back of this, on both sides like that. Stick it to here, stick it right here. Positive, negative, let's make it happen. That'll definitely work. You know what I mean? Negative, positive, that'll work. Let's go install this shit. You already know, squad. All right, squad. So here we go. Unbox my volt stabilizer. Booyah. Got a few grounding joints if I was going to use this, and my battery was still up front. Don't need those. Boop. So let's take these terminals off. Matter of fact, I should get my battery terminal cleaner. Clean the terminals, make sure everything is up to snuff. And then from there, let's install, bro. Let's get it popping. Y'all already know the vibe. Squadron, mount up. It look a little nasty right now, but we plugged in. So I stripped the joints just so I could keep my plastic tops. Oh, right here. My plastic tops on the covers. I like that, like giving me that extra protection. I like that. I'm gonna tighten down my negative battery terminal right up here. You see that shit is dead loose. We're gonna tighten that up, but I just wanted to make sure everything lined up, everything was good. I'm gonna probably end up just running this right here. Oops, get this under here. Running this right here like so. Zip tie right here. That should be wavy. Pull this over to the side. Probably zip tie that, something like that. Oops. Something like that. That'll be wavy, just to keep the wires out the way. I really didn't want to cut the wires too short, just in case I effed up. And you know what I'm saying? I needed more wire, or, you know, God forbid, the tips of these go bad or get corroded or anything like that. I can always cut back a little bit more, get fresh wire. Good to go, team. Let's go. Y'all already know. Bolt stabilizer installed, baby. Lock and load. All right, squad. Just wanted to keep y'all up to date with what we doing, man. Like right now, just wanted to paint it up. Like y'all can see, it looks way glossy, way better. It was looking really hurt. I use this right here, man. Just the engine enamel glossy joint. Just so to freshen it up, get everything here. My next joint now is to go back in and hit the bottom with the undercoating, so we don't have to worry about rust on this new subframe up front. Yeah, let's get to it. All right, team. I just wanted to show y'all. Definitely went through my 4 stages of sanding to get this shit, almost like new. I just got to finish with the polish and renewal, and then buff it out with the rubbing compound. But, bros, that shit is a big difference, man. Like, this shit is still dead hazy, super nasty. We're gonna get that off. But yeah, these are the headlights I'm gonna customize. So I'm like, I might as well get them looking really good, real nice, real spiffy, and we can go from there. Have a real good platform to start with. Take them out, open them up, bake them, and get ready to get down to the nitty gritty. You know what I mean? Got all my stuff so we can install. You know what I mean? Let's get it. Oh yeah, finished product. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. Oh yeah. That look fresh. I like that. I like that. That's the end product. That's the headlight, like restore joint to get the scratches and stuff out, and then polishing it up. Looking good. Looking real good, team. All right, Squadron. Give y'all that finished product, baby. We in here, man. I really like how it came out. Like, you always gotta trust the process, man. Gotta trust the process. Headlights look brand new, bro. You'd have swore I just bought these headlights. Like, brand new. Can't wait to work on them. I'm about to start actually laying everything out in the kitchen, so I know kind of how I'm gonna go about it. Next step, once I bake and open them, we're gonna have to strip this chrome paint off so I can get ready. Gotta pick up the black paint. Gotta pick up the paint stripper. Gotta pick up, I'm thinking, black gloss paint. I don't know if I want to go with like a caliper paint because that has like the 900-degree temp. I know it doesn't get that hot in there, but you know, I prefer to be safer than sorry and have anything with the paint bubble over, whatever. So I think I might go with the caliper paint, like real glossy, and then get a clear coat of that high heat paint to go with it, and we'll see what's up. But yeah, for the most part, we all right, team. I like it. I like it. Just gotta clean up, but yeah. Looking good, looking good. Gotta trust the process. I'll fill y'all in on that if y'all wanna know. You already know. All right, team, so we got everything ready, man. Divvied up the lights, so I know which is which, going to which side. This is gonna be going to the driver's side. This is the passenger side. And got everything, turn signals, load resistors. I got my fog lights. These are extra demonized, and these are some new HIDs. Got the tent, so again, I can tent the fog light lamp here, like this little lamp there, and my reflector there on the side, the yellow joint. But everything's cleaned up, everything's good to go. Got the extra wire. Just getting ready to prep this oven, so now let's take the headlights out, get it popping. Hi team, y'all see what time it is, B? Open it up, let's get it popping. You know what I mean? Let's get these LEDs installed, but moreover, let me get the paint stripper. Now I can take this stuff outside, man, and just start stripping this chrome off so I could get the black on with the clear coat. Get it popping. Take this joint out next. Let's go. All right, team. Y'all see where we at, man. Complete breakdown. Got the side marker. Got my fog light lens. Swear it what goes over here. Side marker that was here. We got that out. You see we're disassembling, so we're gonna strip the chrome off of this right here, these two parts. We're going to tint these two with the nightshade lens tint, and from there the next thing is to break down the main lamp by Xenon joint. So now I can take this out and we can line it with the Demon Eye. We can do that. So let's take it step by step. It's a process. This is going to be a minute, so I don't expect everything to be overnight, but this shit is going to take a couple days just to take my time, paint everything up, and get it the way we want. So let's go, team. Hey, squad. So piece by piece, man. Got my 3M double-sided. Just put a couple pieces there on the bottom there. Flip this around. Might be able to see it right under there. So, demonized, installed into the by X9. About to reinstall this back into the actual headlight and drill a hole right there. Finish that hole right there so we can run the wires through. And first set of rewiring will be good. Then it'll be time to get outside so I can finish getting the chrome stuff off. Let's go. Alright, team, lit. Headlights done. Just gotta finish the last wiring to get the demonized and the LED strips up. So good to go, team. Get ready to slap these joints in a few. Alright, team. Just gotta lock them in, screw them down, but finish the rewiring. We in here. We in here. Definitely got this switcheroni on. Yeah. Let's go. Look at that. Clean. See myself. What's up? Alright, so. Finish the wiring. Yeah, I know what time it is. Yeah, so we got everything set up. Got the module in there for the LED strip and the demon eyes. All the supplies. Got my key fob for it. Locked and loaded, ready to go. My hose line spacers came through, or separators came through. Ordered 4 of them joints. As y'all can see, that was one of the main things I was waiting for before I strap my bumper on. If you have a aftermarket oil cooler kit, these are necessary. Maybe not 4. I know it comes with 1, so you'd be able to split it here, but I'm worried about splitting it because the last thing I want is this rubbing. So you may want to order more, and I just ordered the joints that match these, you know what I mean? Worst case scenario, everything fades. I can always paint it red or paint it black. You know how I give it up. But that's what we was waiting for, team. We got it. Let's go. You already know.